Well, good day everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I've been using the Ricoh GR3 for a few months now, and I've had quite a bit of fun with it. This is a digital camera. It's a fixed lens. It has an equivalent angle of view of 28 millimeters. It's the smallest APS-C censored camera. I really like the form factor, the small size, the 24 megapixel images that it comes up with, and it has a tiny little connection for the wrist strap to go through this little loop in the upper right corner of the camera body. And I actually like these really small, thin wrist straps for lightweight cameras. There are a lot better wrist straps, obviously, like the big sailor straps that are made from thick nautical rope, but the diminutive size of this camera, it just wouldn't work right with a huge bulky rope-like strap. And this is a really nice strap, but it has one problem. I like to carry this camera around just with the wrist strap on my wrist and just swing it like this as I'm walking. But when I do so, you'll notice as my hand moves, the wrist strap kind of falls off my wrist now, and it's sort of a continuous problem here, right? So it's a nice wrist strap. It attaches to the camera really well. It's built for the camera, but it was bugging me. And so here is a little quick fix for this problem. What you need is a little rubber O-ring. You can buy these O-rings in packs of O-rings from hardware stores here in the US, like True Value, Ace Hardware, or wherever. So you put the rubber bushing or O-ring through the camera strap, like that, and then there is a little plastic fitting at the end of the strap where it attaches to the string, and you can just store the rubber O-ring, like right here, on this bushing. It stays put. When you're not actually using the camera, it's not going to fall off. But when you want to use the camera, you simply put it like that, and then you pull the O-ring tight. And now the wrist strap stays secure on your wrist. You can walk around with your Ricoh GR like that, swing it down at your side, and it's nice and secure. It's not going to fall off. And when you want to remove the camera from your wrist, you just pull the O-ring down and viola. Okay, a real quick video on how to make your Ricoh GR's wrist strap more useful with a rubber grommet or O-ring on the strap itself. I really like this solution. Simple, cheap, effective. All right, this is Joe Van Cleve. Stay creative. Have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye for now.